What's up, guys? Back with another quick Foxbody update. The last time you saw it, this thing was all put together. As you can see, we got this thing blown completely apart. So what we left the metal shop, we got it back here in the body shop. What we're doing is we're completely block sanding this entire car. So one of the things about this car is we're painting it black. And black is one of the colors that shows the most imperfections. So we have to go through extra special precautions to make sure every surface on this thing is completely straight and smooth. Otherwise it may show something. And we want to show, finish, shine on this by the time we're done. One of the things you'll notice is these guys are wearing gloves. Now, not only save your fingerprints from all the sanding they're doing, but we can't touch this car with our bare hands because the oils from your finger and your skin will get on there, and that will cause a problem before we put it through the paint booth. One of the things that we didn't talk about last time that we should have mentioned was these engine panels that we did. So these are custom engine panels to cover the holes that we cut out. So what we did is we laid out a templated out the sheet metal, took it, ran it through a bead roller, so it gives it a nice aesthetic and also adds structural integrity. Then we fit it in here, did a metal brake so we got all of our bends so that it fit correctly, got it welded in, and now these guys are finishing it off.